Hi guys, today let us discuss about the while loop. While loop is also known as a pre-tested loop. In general, while loops allows a part of the code to be executed multiple times depending upon a given boolean condition. The while loop is mostly used in the cases where number of iteration is not known in advance. That is, in the while loop, it will check the condition first, that is it is a pre-tested loop. In previous videos we discussed about the entry control loop and exit control loop. So here while loop is an entry control loop, that is pre-tested. So first it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement. Okay, now let us discuss about the syntax. While test expression, then statement inside the body of the loop. That is, in while we will give the condition there. It will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement inside the body of the loop. If the condition is false, it will terminate from the loop. Now, how this while loops works? The while loops evaluate the text expression inside the parenthesis. If the text expression is true, the statement inside the body of the while loop are executed. Then this text expression is evaluated again. The process is going on until the text expression is evaluated to false. If the text expression is false, the loop terminates. This is the flowchart for while loop. Text expression. So here it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then the while loop body will execute. Then again it will go for the text expression. This process will continue until the text expression become false. If the text expression is false, it will terminate from the loop. Here let us see one simple example to print 1 to 5 numbers using while loop. Here we declare the value of I as 1. Int I is equal to 1. Then while condition given there, I less than or is equal to 5. Print %dni. Here the condition is given, that is updation is given as I++, that is incrementation. So how it works? Here int I is equal to 1. So the value of I we are given 1. Here we have initialized I is equal to 1. When I is 1, the text expression I less than or equal to 5 is true. Hence the body part of the while loop is executed. This print 1 on the screen and the value of the increase to 2. Then now here the I value is 2. Then the text expression I less than or is equal to 5 is true. This process is going on until the I becomes 6. When I is 6, the test expression I less than or is equal to 5 will be false. So what will happen? The loop will terminate. This is a simple program to print 1 to 5 numbers using while loop. So here the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5 numbers it will display. So this is a simple example using while loop. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Watch it again.